I'm creating this tutorial as part of my notes. If you are watching this, I hope it would be enjoyable and beneficial too. So I'm going to create my first build plan and within the Bamboo dashboard. Let's go ahead. I clicked on create your first build plan. I need to specify my build plan name. So RxT test. So project key is taken by default based on initials, or you can say based on the name that okay. And let's say project server build. This is description. Plan name is server build. Just see what happens next. SP. If I say Rx test, it would be RT. If I say the initials are taken, the description again. Project description, plan description. I'm keeping it same. And then let's link a repository. I'm going to use GitHub repository here. Username is, I created a user here, which is this. The password is, let's see what happens here. Let's taken it. Let's just load the example solution. Okay, test the connection. And let's see what else are there. I'm going to select one of the repository for test. Yeah. Connection successful. Okay, let's check it. Double check it. Yeah. Allow all users to reuse it and configure plan. So I'm using my name cannot be empty. So name is test. Yeah. Say Rx test. Configure. So we are here now. Agent environment, Docker container. So let's say we can see configure job option is there, and there are create tasks that we can do. But here we are going to leave it as it is. There is a source code checkout that we can be done. As of now, there can be various tasks. Those can be added as part of the plan. But I'm going to use it as it is. Now you can see the build was successful, and there is a first build plan. As you can see, this is the test build. So you can see the build was successful.